Kakunhun Menteri Jongkajela Kalamanjur ya kapor babnya nakabenta ka election Shagaro Hills Autonomous District Council. U Cabinet Minister Wailat Miki Shila ulapan bana baka jingthap vote kan long hakashipo trik Ïaïong nadu ka nyo baji men step hadu saw baji janmir. But on pen bana ya ka result hakakat saw trik Ïaïong. Ya ka niga jing pen bana on pen mi hakakhandai trik ubanai leber but hakakat real trik uleber labu kum katarik hadu ban thap kerteng. Lapan benaru ya kitarik ban bishar banya bat ban weng no.
Like Sauli, B Hostel Block Sauli, C Sunny Hills Tura, D Patagon Nemengja Sangma Athletic Stadium Tura. 6 is transfer of reorganization cell to Home Political Department. And 7 is consideration of the report of the export committee on the state reservation policy Meghalaya. So these were the agenda which got approved today in the cabinet.
It's like this: the date for calling the constituent to elect their representative under Rule 124(2), it's 9th of March 2026. Next is last date for filing of nomination is 16 March 2026 before 3 p.m. Date of scrutiny of nomination paper it is on the same day, that is 16 March 2026 after 3 p.m. Last date for withdrawal of the nomination paper will be on 17 March 2026 till 3 p.m. Date of finalization and publication of valid nomination and allotment of symbols will be on 18 March 2026, and date of poll will be on 10 of April 2026 from 7 a.m. to 4 p.m. and date of counting will be on 14 of April 2026. These are the schedule.